Hey guys, Rexton Gray with Gray's Archer here. I'm working on this bow, some backup bow for me, a Halon 32.6. Always been a great bow, but I've been having some issues. I got it restrung, had it Cerakoted, that kind of stuff, put it back together. And ever since I've done that, and it could have been this way before, I'm just having a really hard time getting this to bare shaft tune. And I just figured out what it was, so I want to show you guys something. And I'll do this all uncut so you can see it better. So as you can tell, I have a perfectly level arrow. Bow is set to level, and I'm shooting out of this a 300 spine Easton 5.0, and it has just been going usually tail low, really bad every time I shoot it. So I'm going to shoot it and I'm going to show you what it's doing, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it. And it's going to be a little bit different and a whole lot easier than what all the experts tell you online. Cams are perfectly timed. Nock height is level, just the way you should set up a bow. Center shot's 13/16. Everything down the middle, any adjustments to the left and right are top hats. So let's go shoot this thing and let me show you what's going on with it. So this will be 20 yards bare shaft check. Get this down here where you can see what's going on. So this one's dead end straight. This is your fletched, and you can see the angle. Very knock low. I've tried. Let me get it better where you can see. I've tried just about everything, adjusting and timing, stuff like that, just to see, play with it, no impact, move the rest up and down, move the knot point up and down, and it would not fix it. So I'll be right back in the shop and I'll show you how to fix this. Alright, so we're back in here. Now, the only thing I did, I went to Academy Sports, bought a 340 spine arrow, and I've come in, I haven't changed anything else except for my rest position. I moved it down because this is a 6.5 millimeter versus a 5 millimeter. There's only 340 I could find, but again, I'm checking for spine. I don't really care about the diameter of the arrow. So we've got arrow level again. Bow is level, and now we're going to bare shaft with that 340, and I think you'll be pretty interested to see what happens. Alright, so this is going to be the 340 bare shaft. Let me show you what it does. So you can see here, just look how much straighter that went in. That fixed our tail low issue. And it's not bad on the, it's not too bad on the tail left. I can clean that up with the shims just a little bit, but that is a huge difference. That's perfect. Where we're at with this bow. It likes a 340 spine. These are the ones I went and picked up from Academy. Just grabbed, you know, a decent quality 340. These are the Easton 6.5 millimeters. Normally like a 5 millimeter, but they don't sell those. But what we're mainly checking is spine, and that's what I wanted to see, how it would respond to that. And it responded just like what you saw outside. It should tune for a 300 all day long according to all the charts. It doesn't like it. It wants this. And I didn't do anything fancy. You'll have all these experts tell you online. Add a twist to the bottom cable, take one out. I don't know, back a limb bolt out a little bit, different stuff like that. It just doesn't make any sense. Like this is this is from 2017, but in its day, this was a flagship, very, very high-end bow, still is. And it's machined and made to run down the middle. You saw the arrow rest was level. The arrow's level off the rest. The Nock's level. My cams are timed. I'm not going to put it on the draw board and show you, but trust me, they're perfectly timed down through the hole, and draw stops hit at the same time. And it just would not tune that 300. I did every trick in the book that you'll see on Archery Talk and all that good stuff. Twisting the Nock, it didn't do anything. And if you're running a good arrow, especially those Eastons where they don't really have, a spine, a certain spine point in the arrow, it doesn't change anything. So you can play with that. I hope that works for you. But this is the next thing you need to look at if you just cannot get it to come out. Now, if you were shooting that 300 and you needed to, if you raised and lowered that arrow rest up and down a little bit, a noticeable amount, and it doesn't change when the bear shaft hits the target, it's not the bow. Like it's this, or it's some funny thing you're doing with your grip. If you're not gripping right, yeah, you can get into that, but I think I grip it pretty good. So yeah, that's the fix for this. I'm gonna go with some 340 spine. I will probably still stick with the 5 millimeter just because I like that shaft, and just get it in a 340 and set it up for this, and of course double check it to make sure those are flying right as well before I hunt with this. But if you're stopping with paper tuning and hoping, when you put broadheads on, I can put any broadhead I want on this arrow and it's going to fly good after I just check that. There's no steering. If you're just stopping at paper tuning, you're selling yourself so short. This stuff can shoot so much better if you will just take the time to do what I just showed you how to do outside and check this stuff, and quit listening to people in Archery Talk and your pro shop if they're telling you any different. Thank you.